Hey, it's JP with Central Idaho Mountain Weather. It's January 16th, 2024. Back from a trip to the Sawtooth where we had really good skiing and poor stability. And today it's looking continued cold temperatures, mostly sunny. There'll be some high cirrus clouds in the sky, more so increasing throughout the day as that low approaches us. Highs are going to be in the lower 20s with northwest flow. Northwest winds shifting to the west with gusts up to 25 miles per hour in the mountains. Tomorrow we'll have another round of snow showers. Highs will be in the lower 30s, so we're going to see increasing temperatures. And there's an upper level low off the Pacific coast that's making its way towards us and going to be giving us a series of waves of moisture. Winds will pick up, gusting to 40 miles per hour by tomorrow afternoon in the mountains. And then we'll have lingering snow showers after the system with a warming trend. So we'll say goodbye to some of these cooler temperatures. And then there's more storms scheduled for the weekend. They're not looking like anything crazy right now, but we'll keep an eye on that. Looking around at morning temperatures, it's still cold. We're in single digits in the Wood River Valley, and then -10 up in Stanley. Mountains are looking like they are in the teens. And just wanted to show that warming trend for this is for in in Haley at the airport. But you can see we're going to have a big jump tomorrow from today to tomorrow into the 30s and then kind of stay in the mid 30s for the next week. Looking at the satellite, you can see our spinning low over to the coast with this warm front heading towards our way, more so tonight into tomorrow. And so we're just going to have these wispy clouds overhead and increasing clouds throughout the day. Looking like it's going to be mostly sunny. Skip ahead to the 700 millibars and look at the wind chart. Blaine County is right here. So you can see throughout the day we're going to have northwest winds and gusting up to 25. And then tomorrow is when it increases right around sunrise. You can see it starts getting into the blue with generally westerly winds, kind of shifts between due west and a little north and a little southwest. And so those will increase and then kind of diminish a little bit through the late afternoon, but then you can see in the evening hours that's a little far out of radar, this strong wind is going to come into our area. Okay, looking at the HRRR forecast, not really much going on until you can see that front coming through ahead of that that upper level low, which is kind of spinning right here, Washington, Oregon. So that system comes in tonight, early morning for Thursday, and starts really hammering down precip right kind of in the morning hours of commute. And it looks like it's going to be the first wave is going to be the strongest in looking like around maybe Haley, more so Bellevue in the southern county. Looks like south of here is going to be it's going to hammer hard. And then it's going to kind of just lingering storms for the afternoon until this next band comes through in the evening hours. So looking at storm totals into Thursday morning, there is a winter advisory for our area with the snow and blowing conditions. Looks like the Wood River Valley side is going to pick up 2 to 4 inches. More in Stanley, 6 to 8. Galena, a healthy 8 to 12 inches, which will continue to add to that snowpack out there. and then more so amounts in the western Smokies and along this Sawtooth Crest, where you'd see over a foot, maybe even pushing 2 feet of snow. All right, breaking it down a little bit more day by day. Tonight, looking at not too much snow. Seems like more so in the western Smokies, going to be picking up around 2 to 3 inches, and then uh, Wednesday ramps up a little bit more. Those western zones looking like they're picking up, uh, 5 to 10 inches of snow, and then Wednesday night that next major pulse comes through with that increased wind and kind of lays down the finishing touches. So, looking like another good storm. Not as much as we have been getting, but pretty moderate storm with winds. And then we're going to just have lingering showers into Thursday um, as that system migrates out of here. Looking at the GFS, put this in motion. You can see we're in northwest flow today with that low spinning its way towards us. That's going to give us that series of waves. And then I'll migrate out of here and we'll just be in moist northwest flow. Continuing through, looks like Friday we'll have a brief ridge overhead, so a little bit of a break before this next upper level low comes in from the west coast and drops in a little bit of snow. It doesn't look like it's got as much energy as this storm system for the Wednesday Thursday time frame. But hopefully the models look like they're a little bit in disagreement. So we'll see what happens with it. And it just looks like some more zonal flow after that with not much going on. It does look like with this next storm over the weekend, temperatures are going to be warmer. So that might be kind of not a mushy snow in the valley, but certainly not as light density as the storm that just came through a few days ago, and that's going to happen on Wednesday, Friday timeframe. All right, we'll check back in a couple days.